If you want to learn more about the stock market, or if you want to learn how to get into it or why you should get into it, this is the video. This is the right video for you. So we're going to be talking about dividends, retirement, and slow and steady. So yeah, let's get to it. Man, what is up, family? And I'm back with another episode. In this video, I'm going to show y'all why it's important to invest in stocks. So here we go. Okay, how to invest in the stock market, full beginner's guide. Alright, so the purpose of investing and earning money is to buy your freedom. What does financial freedom look like to you? Time and location. So for financial freedom can mean a lot of different things for a lot of different people. For some people it might be buying a car, buying a house to stay, but it's all on what financial freedom looks like to you, and that's what you gotta find and what you gotta know. And also it could be also helping people. It doesn't also have to be like materialistic things. So keep that in mind when you want to get into this money. So retirement isn't an age, it's a mathematical formula. So most people think of retirement as like I'm gonna retire at this age, and they don't save up to get to there. So when you retire, when you want to get to retirement, it's all on how your cash flow is working and not just how much you save up until you get to that age. So once you have more passive income than the money you spend every day, that's when you know you don't have to work anymore. So basically your passive income is the money that you're getting when you're not working. So let's say I'm making $20,000 a year, and I'm set that, and I take half of that, invest that $10,000, and I'm earning passive income from not even doing anything. I'm having that money work for itself. So don't wait until you're 65 to start buying income. Well, what I like to say is the earlier the better. Because the more you wait, the older you get, the more riskier you have to get with your investments. So that's why I like to start young and start investment young. You can kickstart your children's wealth by buying their stocks to accumulate over time. Man, I feel like that's a great way to teach children young by buying them stocks, and just don't even have them touch it. Just let it sit there and watch them stocks go up over time and appreciate in value. So yeah, I feel like that's definitely important. So slow and steady. Just because you don't have $40,000 to drop on an investment doesn't mean it's not worth it. I purchased my first stock for $1,000 a year ago, and now it's worth over $6,000. So it's not about how much money you have, it's about how patient you could be. The main point is to take your active money and make it work for you. This is not trading or get rich quick scheme. Most people think that this is day trading and gambling, when it's really not. It's really you're taking your money and you're putting it into a company that's, as long as they making revenue, you're making revenue along with them. So it's not any type of gambling. And I would advise you to do your research too. Your research is very important on the company, on if the company is in debt or how much money they owe. So yeah, you don't want to invest in a company with a lot of debt, because that's gonna hurt you for the future. So dividends is the easiest form of passive income. So basically the dividends is the easiest form of passive income. You can give a company your money and they'll produce the income and reward you with the dividend payout no matter what. So that's how most of these big companies, that's how they attract investors, by having high paying dividends. But that's something that you also want to look for, because that costs less work. So no matter if the company is bankrupt, or no matter if the company is going down or up or bearish or bullish, you would still get the payout of the dividend no matter how the company is doing. So most pay once per month, and some of them pay every couple of days. And dividends are meant to attract investors to their company, especially the high dividends. And I'm gonna show you guys some of the stocks that I currently invest in that have some high paying dividends as well. But when you are looking at some of the dividends, some of the stocks that have high paying dividends, you got stocks like CAT, AT&T, McDonald's, Chevron, Target, P&G, Coca-Cola, AT&T, Clorox, Exxon Mobil. Those are just some of the simple stocks that you can invest in with some high paying dividends as well. So that wraps it up for today's video, man. So y'all let me know if y'all want more and what to bring and what content to bring for you guys. And until next time, peace out.